last video, we discussed the difference between Buffett and Graham's style of investing. Let's go further and find how we can use this principle to reap in the benefits in the stock market. In the last video, we have seen the Buffett quote, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." Buffett gives more importance to management style, whereas Ben Graham gives more importance to valuation. Let's check what a good company means to Buffett. Let's hear this video.
At Berkshire Hathaway, we have all kinds of businesses. We own 73 businesses now, and in businesses, we're looking for an entity that has durable competitive advantage, somebody that not only is doing well now, but will do well 10 or 20 years from now. And in capitalism, when you have a wonderful business, it's like having an economic castle. And the nature of capitalism is that people want to come in and take your castle. It's perfectly understandable. I mean, if I'm selling television sets or something, there's going to be 10 other people that are going to try and sell a better television set. If I have a restaurant here in Omaha, people are going to try and copy my menu and give more parking and take my chef and so on. So capitalism's all about somebody coming and trying to take the castle. Now, what you need is you need a castle that has some durable competitive advantage, some castle that has a moat around it. And that moat, one of the best moats in many respects, is to be a low-cost producer. But sometimes the moat is just having more talent. I mean, if you're the heavyweight champion of the world and you keep knocking out people, you've got a competitive advantage as long as you can keep doing it. And it's very profitable if you're the one that happens to be able to do it. If you can turn out great motion pictures, I mean, you know, Steven Spielberg, I mean, he's a fellow to bet on, and it has enormous economic value. Well, we're looking for that institutionalized. We're not looking for the best brain surgeon in town. We're looking for the Mayo Clinic. So we want an institution that, regardless of the person in charge, will maintain that competitive advantage over the decades. And we hope we find that in some businesses, and then we try to get the best person that we can to run them. Usually it's the person who's been running them.
Now we have learned what's a good company. A good company should have a competitive advantage, which is called as moat. Regardless of the person in charge, it should carry the competitive advantage through decades. Let's explain with some examples. Take the case of TTK Prestige. Founded in the year 1955, TTK operates in the kitchen appliance segment. The competitive advantage include manufacturing and innovations, strong brand equity, prestige brand and mantra, strong distribution network, leadership position, after sales service. In 1951, it introduced pressure cooker to India. In 1994, it introduced non-stick cookware. In 2001, gas stoves and electronic appliances were introduced. 2005, smart range of innovation cooking and kitchen products were introduced by Prestige. 2006, total kitchen solutions were introduced. And 2008, modular kitchen solutions and Prestige smart kitchen stores were introduced. We identified it at rupees 200 in 2009. The most important thing of Prestige is that when price war happened, it moved from pressure cooker to total kitchen solutions. That's the prime advantage of Prestige. So the most important thing is the competition is good for the consumers. It is not good for the shareholders. Prestige realized this and then went on innovating several products from time to time. Let's take another example, Astral Poly. Founded in 1999, Astral Poly is a manufacturer of piping and plumbing solutions for home and industrial applications. It enjoys a market share of more than 40% in domestic CPVC and PVC piping industry. It has a strong network of 750 distributors and 22,000 dealers across India and also available in more than 22 countries. The competitive advantage: first move advantage in CPVC pipes and lead-free PVC pressure pipes in India. Latest products like PVC bowel pipes, CPVC fire sprinkler systems, PVC drainage system and CPVC Pro. Trained more than 70,000 plumbers per year in India. We identified it at 15, adjusted to splits in the year 2009. Let's check more examples. You can do it yourself and find out the moat of the following companies: Pidilite, V-Guard, Asia Motor, Maruti Suzuki, Tata Elxsi, Apple. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading more interesting videos. It contains a lot of information so that you can learn and earn from the market.